I came to WVU because I felt it's a very unique place and it's a crossroads of modern medicine and rural medicine.
One of the things that really struck me about West Virginia was that kidney disease was more prevalent here. And kidney disease is a frightening thing. And it's all the more frightening because it's often silent and you don't know you have it unless you are checked and it's sought after.
Our commitment to the state of West Virginia is what drives the entire section, every decision we make.
Our mission as the land-grant state university, West Virginia University, is to serve the state and to serve the people of the state.
We have worked extremely hard to set up clinics around the state so that the patients that live in these rural areas don't have to travel all the way to Morgantown, which can be a tedious and long drive.
So many patients would never have gotten the care they did had we not come to them. And I see this often in the patients that I take care of who are reluctant or more than resistant to coming to Morgantown for their care. And also, a lot of the patients don't have financial means. When you don't have windshield wipers, driving to Morgantown is just not going to happen. And when you don't have money for food, it's not going to happen that you're going to be driving somewhere to see a doctor or get your medicines.
Dr. Schmidt has been my doctor since 1999. I dearly love her. The best way to get on the good side of Dr. Schmidt is to bake her a peach pie.
About 2003, I was diagnosed with Alport Syndrome, a hereditary disease that my mother had and my brother also has. And Dr. Schmidt was my mother's doctor, so I've known her for 25 years at least. She's like my mom to me. I mean, she's caring and anything I need, she's there for me.
We've added telemedicine to our armamentarium of tools to be used to reach more patients in more areas of West Virginia. And starting to use it in dialysis as well in an effort to reach more people in our state. Well, I think telemedicine is really the way of the future, particularly in states like ours where the driving times and in winter the driving is a little bit scary sometimes, and not just for me, but for the patients.
The nephrology section here at WVU Medicine, they have their fingers on the pulse of nephrology throughout the state, and especially end-stage renal disease. Unfortunately, there has not been widespread access to transplantation within the state of West Virginia, since there's currently only one transplant center in the state. So we here at WVU Medicine are building actually a multi-organ transplant hospital. And a focal point of that is kidney transplant, because that is the greatest need within the state. There is the highest number of patients, or highest incidence of kidney failure in the United States is in this state. And there's a tremendous need that way for us to take care of folks and allow them to get their care home.
I trained among the best in the living donation and the living donor program, so I had a very unique skill set which I wanted to put at a place where they are building a program. And WVU Medicine gave me that opportunity to come over here, and the people, the need of the transplant in this state, which makes me very, very positive that we would have a wonderful experience in providing service to the people and give them a very positive experience.
We are recruiting all over the United States to bring transplant nephrologists to kind of complete our team, so we'll be able to offer everything our patient needs right here in Morgantown. You can get the care here that you can get anywhere in the world, and that makes it really easy to say, come to Morgantown to get your transplant.
As chair of Department of Medicine, I'm extremely proud of the efforts and the successes of the programs developed by nephrology. From my perspective, this is the program that needs to be replicated not only across different sections in the Department of Medicine, but literally across the whole university.